AI just recreated my voice, you won't tell the difference. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we explore how tech is reshaping our world. Today's episode is equal parts mind-blowing and a little creepy. The power of song. Healing.
The power of song. Healing.
Because artificial intelligence didn't just write a script or draw a picture. It literally became me. Let's break it down. 1. What voice cloning is? Voice cloning is a technology that uses artificial intelligence to create a synthetic version of your voice. By training a machine learning model on recordings of your speech, the AI can generate audio that sounds like you. This involves analyzing the unique characteristics of your voice, such as pitch, tone, and rhythm, to replicate it as closely as possible. The result is a digital voice that can be used in various applications, from virtual assistants to personalized customer service. This technology has advanced to the point where the cloned voice can be nearly indistinguishable from the original, making it a powerful tool for various industries. 2. How I cloned my voice. Cloning my voice was surprisingly straightforward. I started by recording myself reading a variety of texts to provide the AI with enough data. The next step was to upload these recordings to a specialized platform that processes and analyzes them. After a few hours, the AI had enough information to create a digital model of my voice. 3. Side-by-side test. To see just how effective voice cloning can be, I conducted a side-by-side test with my original voice and the AI-generated version. I recorded myself reading a short script, then had the AI replicate the same script. Playing them back-to-back, the differences were minimal. Friends and family were astounded by how closely the cloned voice matched my real one. They struggled to tell which was the original and which was the synthetic version. This test highlighted the incredible advancements in AI voice technology and demonstrated its potential for practical applications. 4. What makes it so good? The impressive quality of voice cloning stems from advanced machine learning algorithms that meticulously analyze the nuances of your voice. These algorithms are capable of picking up subtle details like intonation, pacing, and even emotional undertones. High-quality audio samples allow the AI to learn and mimic these characteristics with remarkable precision. The use of deep learning techniques enables the AI to continually improve its accuracy as it processes more data. Additionally, state-of-the-art hardware and software ensure that the synthesized voice is clear and lifelike. The integration of contextual understanding means the AI can adapt its delivery based on the content, making the cloned voice sound more natural in different scenarios. 5. How to protect yourself. Voice cloning technology is powerful, but it also raises concerns about misuse. To protect yourself, be cautious about where and how you share your voice recordings. Limit the distribution of audio clips, especially on public platforms. Use strong, unique passwords for accounts that store your voice data to prevent unauthorized access. Consider employing encryption tools to safeguard your files. Regularly monitor for any unauthorized use of your voice and report suspicious activities promptly. Be aware of the privacy policies of any service you use that involves voice data. 6. Future of AI in voice technology. The future of AI in voice technology is poised to revolutionize numerous fields. We can expect more natural and context-aware interactions with digital assistants, making conversations with AI feel even more human-like. Innovations in healthcare could see personalized AI voices helping those who have lost their ability to speak, providing a sense of normalcy and comfort. In entertainment, AI-generated voices might soon be used to create lifelike characters in video games and movies, pushing the boundaries of realism.
Please like this video, subscribe to our channel or more videos like this. Thanks for watching.